Hello everyone. I probably sound a little stuff up and everything. This is Shana the other girl. I decided to come to make this video based on my experience that I experienced today on Black Friday. I don't normally shop Black Friday, but for this reason I needed a few items, so I decided to go out. I am in Canada, in Calgary, Alberta. So our Black Friday here isn't much of a big deal as it is in America, but you do get some deals. Anyway, today I decided to go places, and one of the places I decided to go is Cross Iron Mills in Rocky View, Alberta. I went to Cross Iron Mills to purchase stuff or just to look around to see if there's any deals going on that I'm interested in. I went there with a friend of mine, a very close friend of mine, and I went there with my son as well. We brought a regular umbrella stroller. We decided to go. Just a heads up, this is gonna be basically this is a complaint. Me upset, me cross, me angry, right? If you don't know any Jamaican words, well, I guess you better go look them up for now, right? But me cross, me angry, me miserable. I went to Cross Iron Mills, search around, look for deals, got some deals and stuff like that. Upon reaching to the guest store in the mall. They have two guest store. I think one is just for accessories and the other one is accessories with clothing and stuff like that. Upon reaching the guest store that has accessories and clothing, I'm also going to put into the link below, not below, into this video, the clip of the video that I took. Okay everyone, so this is Guess, right? Guess have two store in Cross Iron Mills in Rocky View, Alberta, and this is what they say on here. This is what they say: no strollers or carts allowed. Understand about the carts, but I have my son, and how am I supposed to go ahead and shop for something when they say this? They're expecting you to leave your child over there in that cage like they're an animal. Shame on you, Guess. Shame on you. It was very awful. I don't know if they didn't make plans of how to really do things before Black Friday, which they should have, but this is foolishness, right? This is stupidness, and this is outrageous, and this is very disrespectful to all mothers out there, because I am a mother, and this is very disrespectful to me. I don't know if there is any other mother that would record a video or put out something about Guess, but I am doing it. Even if I'm the first one that put out something, I'll be doing it. Guess put on their door, they have I think it's just like, it's not really like shutters, but because in the mall they pull that grill down, so whenever they pull the grill down, either they're closed or something. Reports, I'm like, hold on, Guess closed? You know them run out of stuff already or something? But no, go in there, we see people stand up in line, right? And there's a paper on the wall and on the grill that they pull down saying no strollers or carts. Listen me. This world make up basically, I would say 90 to 95% of mothers, right? And to about 90% of mothers that go to Cross Iron Mills and go to those stores, Guess, Michael, Coors, all those stores in one. And you're telling the mothers no strollers. Where are they supposed to leave their strollers? Where are they supposed to leave their children, in fact? Then not to say they have a cage. All of a sudden, they have a cage right in front of the store, right? When I was passing by, I saw like a few parents. There was no kids in the cage. there was just children outside. They were either playing with some kind of drone or something in the cage, right? There was a drone they were flying in the cage, maybe because they don't want, you know, because it's a crowded area, they don't want to fly the drone out of the cage. But there were some kids there. There was no mothers was able to go into that guest store with their stroller. So if you don't come with someone to leave your son or your daughter with the stroller, you can't get into that store, right? I understand about the cart, but this is foolishness. This is disrespectful. You should have come ahead. You should have make plans ahead of time for set up your Black Friday thing a lot better compared to Michael Kors. They're so much better what they did, and I also did a little clip of it as well. Okay, people, so look at Michael Kors. Them have a better system, because what them do is they make people go in and park them cart right at the front, and there's a security guard. I don't know if you can see him right there. Him just watch over the cart to make sure nobody not take out anything from anybody's cart, which is a good thing, right? At least them not saying, oh, don't come in with your cart, or don't come in with your child, your stroller or anything like that. You know, I don't know what guests dealing with. What they did is they have a little section for your cart and your stroller, right? So when you go, you park it right there, because it's so small in the store. That's what they did. Park it right there, and there's a security guard that is watching over them, right? You just take up your handbag and you go. You go in the store, you search whatever you're searching for, and you come back out, you take up your cart and you go, right? But no, you decide to put up no strollers. That means where you're supposed to leave your stroller, where you're supposed to leave your baby. Please tell me now, people. Come on, guys, you can do better than this. You can do better than this. I am very, very, very upset about this, right? I am very upset about this, and trust me, you will be getting a bad review. Very, very, and trust me, there's going to be a lot more mothers out there who would be giving you a bad review, because 95 or even, I would say 80 to 95% of the sales you get, they're from mothers. But trust me, it's not going to go down so easy. This is just my little rant. I'm upset, I'm cross, I'm angry, I'm miserable. This is Shana, the yardy girl. Probably even make a little playlist of how me go around and review places, because when you really check it out, most people now talk against these big companies. Why? Because they have so much money. Hello, me work my money and me spend my money. So me spend it wisely. I mean, I mean, no place or nobody will own them big shot company try to use or step over me, because I am very upset with you guys. Yes, you should have planned ahead of time. You should have. And not only that, you see people complaining, a lot of people may see complaining about it, right? And you didn't even think to go ahead and try to make a solution within the problem. If you never planned if you didn't plan before, you still could have changed something. You still could have take one of your staff and put them right at the front and say, okay, watch over this. Or better yet, since as people are standing up in line to go in the store, why not send in one stroller at a time with other customers that don't have any stroller, or even two stroller at a time, and tell the people that are waiting at the door that, okay, hold on until these strollers, two parents with stroller come out, then the other two or the other one can go in. Isn't that a better solution? Come on, guess man. We don't have money, but we don't have brains, eh? We don't have brains. Come on, man, wise up. But this is my little review about guests on this Black Friday 2017. Very, very upset and very disrespectful to all mothers out there. If you ever see guests and them behave like that, or they do something like this, please don't be afraid to say. Please don't be. And please do hit the like button and share. Share it. Make it go viral. Make it go viral and make them know that me talking about them. Foolishness this. Shana, the girl, out. Until you see me again later.